Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this one really disappoints me. It really does. Now guys, over the last few days, weeks and months even, I have been bringing you stories of Fani-Kayode threatening fire and brimstone against the agitators against the Nigerian state, especially the Yoruba race. So you always see him in the papers, and I always bring you stories about this guy as well, threatening all manner of things, positioning himself aggressively against the people that are working against the interest of us Nigerians, and putting himself at the far front of the front line. So he's always positioned himself like that. So now guys, imagine my disappointment when I saw this. So guys, I bring you these photos. Fani-Kayode, Tinubu, Gbenga Daniels, others attend tribute night for Funke Olakunrin, daughter of Afenifere leader. So that's the headline. Again, Fani-Kayode, Tinubu, Gbenga Daniels, others attend tribute night for Funke Olakunrin, daughter of Afenifere leader. So that's the headline, but really it's the photo that you will see probably on the thumbnail, because I'm going to use that photo on the thumbnail in the middle that I really wanted to highlight. So I'll read you the caption, but it's really the photo of where Fani-Kayode is greeting Tinubu rather, that I wanted to show you, because he's virtually in the Dobale position, and you can see the grin on his face, almost as if he has seen or met his maker or something. I'm not quite sure how you would choose to describe that look on Fani-Kayode's face. This is the interloper, that is Tinubu, that foisted this ruthless Fulani man on the Nigerian nation. And this Fulani man that's been foisted on the Nigerian nation is the person that Fani-Kayode is purporting to be opposed to so fervently. So now, if his ringmaster is now in front of you, is this how you should be greeting him? Clenched hands, grabbed hands, kowtowing like a boy whose master has just come back from tour and is now saying alright sir, is in the alright sir position to Tinubu. Anyway, let me just bring you the story first. The burial rites of late Funke Olakunrin, the daughter of chairman of Pan Yoruba social political group Afenifere Pa Ruben Fashionati, began yesterday with the commendation and night of tributes in her honor at Harbour Point, Wilmot Road, Ahmedu Bello Way, Victoria Island, Lagos. Olakunrin was shot and killed by masked gunmen, and you can translate that to mean Fulani headsmen, because we all know what happened in a kidnap attempt between Kajola and Ore along Ondo-Ore Road. She was only 58, and her death immediately got national attention. The guests at the event include national leader of the ruling party or Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, former governor of Ogun State, Otunba Gbenga Daniel, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila, Fani-Kayode, and several others. So that's really the whole caption, because the whole narrative, of course, is really the photos, which is the photos that is telling the story. So there's several photos of this, which I shall which will be listed in the slides, but really it's the photo that you saw on the thumbnail with Fani-Kayode virtually on his knees, and with Tinubu looking down on him. And this is the guy that's been raining courses and calling Shokono on top of everybody that's been weighing down and supporting the mass slaughter, which is almost now of a genocidal proportion of the Yoruba race by the Fulanis. This is the guy that's been making all these threats, and when he has now the opportunity to confront the ringmaster of these atrocities against his own people, what does he do? He's in the Dobale position on his knees in praise of the person in front of him, as the guy looks down on him and say, "Are you the rascal? Should I slap you now, or should I even have you just picked up and and disappeared. So now this is really an embarrassment and a shameful positioning by Femi Fani-Kayode. But then, of course, we've always known Femi Fani-Kayode to be of that ilk. He will preen and peacock, and he will bloviate and blow grammar and make all this empty-headed noise. And he will. This is the one thing that irritates me the most about this Femi Fani-Kayode. He would never use one word when he can use 10. So he wants to say, give me milk. He will say the milk is something that I want, so go and bring it for me. He is not. This is just one of those annoying people who are over superfluous with language, and it's just empty, you know, just vacuous noise that he makes. And this is an example of how vacuous his noise is. Look at him now, lying down on his belly, rolling on the floor to this Tinubu character, somebody that he should have kung fu'd down and say, do your worst, you are an enemy of the people. And this, look at him now. They are all the same. We've always said that there is no opposition in Nigeria, there is no Fulani or Disney. There's a clique of a cabal of an elite which is effectively a cult, and this cult, they doesn't really know any race or anything or any tribe. They are all Igbos and Yorubas and whatever. Their only agenda is to corner the Nigerian state and continue to share the billions of dollars, because it's like, according to, this is what Showore often says, is never enough for the greedy, and so therefore there will never be enough for the needy. The no amount of billions of dollars that these people can steal will ever satisfy their need. And this is what you are seeing playing out now. This guy that positions himself as an opposition leader and is now seeing the person that is fervently opposed to, and what does he do? Does he even stand up straight and look him in the eye and even have a few harsh words? Or even if he wants to be polite, at least stand up straight and be stern. What is he doing? He's on his knees, rollicking and begging, because obviously he knows where the dollars are in Nigeria, and the dollar is the person that is looking down on him, because the dollar in Nigeria belongs to the drug addict that is looking down on our Fani-Kayode. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. A disappointment in Fani-Kayode is what I'm looking to talk about. Or how are you reading it? Come share your thoughts with me in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this photo slide, especially the one of Fani-Kayode on his knees in high praise of Tinubu. Come tell me what you are making of that. So I'll leave you here, have that conversation with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.